Good morning, guys. So it's been a while that I keep posting our video from our last trip in Cancun. Let's take a break from Cancun for a little bit, and then today I am going to Monterey. And today is a really special day. I would like to thank you all, my 1,600 subscribers. Alright, let's check out Monterey with me. Hi everyone, here we are. Right now we just arrived in the Fisherman wharf in Monterey. So we just got here, and right now we are going to look for Brian's mom. Yeah, because we plan to meet her for her birthday today. And alright, let's check out the view as well as this shopping area with me. Oh, look at the guy, he's juggling. Nice. Here, I think we found her. Alright, here you go, guys. I'm going to say happy birthday to Brian's mom, and then yeah, we'll show you guys more later. Sea lion. Wow, look at it, guys.
They're enjoying the sun.
Super cool. And here lots of restaurant on the water. Alright guys, here stay with me. I am just gonna walk through to show you guys how crowded is this area. Crowded than normally, right?
Yeah.
I think maybe a lot of people stuck inside and not right now. Alright, we might check out this restaurant. Look at the sample, looks so good. Wow.
Hello.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to get a table on the water. For any table or just one on the water? For any table. Okay. Okay, can we get on the list and then?
Alright, here guys, so this is the Fisherman wharf, Monterey. Yeah, lots of people doing kayaking here, and some of sea lion, yeah, are swimming right there. A lot there, right there. They're swimming. See?
Eyes were soft, touched the moon. Why did you leave me that soon? I can't wait to see you in the morning, in the bed where you're the king. Walking in the sand like nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to write you a song. The sun is going down, I am getting wild. Just scared to run. I know we could be perfect together. Be sure I can be yours forever. This is our last summer. I love you forever. Under the lights I can see your face. Above the stars I can see your face. Oh, I can help staring at you. Oh, I'm fine as long as you're mine. Grin up the night, I'm falling apart. You're missing king, I wanna hear your voice. Please come back to me, my dear, 'cause nothing can keep us apart. Please come back to me, my dear, 'cause nothing can keep us apart.
Like here it is. This is the hotel that we stay at. Yep, table here. Okay, let's check the patio outside a little bit. Yeah, outside here that we can see it and enjoy a little bit. Cannot see the view all the way to the ocean, but can see the view outside. Dinner party.
It's gonna get cold.
Yeah. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Monchino. Happy birthday to you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, nice. Thank you. All right. Picture. 1, 2. Jerry, one picture.
No.
1, 2. Yeah. There you go. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. For more traveling video, make sure to like, subscribe, press on the bell button, and I will see you. Bye bye.